Sabrina. Okay, here's step 2 of Snow White. Sabrina, look at me. Let me see you. What do you think? Yeah, good. Okay, almost there. We've got the bow, we're missing the necklace, and the shoes. Okay, so this is a surprise. This is what's going to finish your outfit off. Here you go. What is it?
Snow White.
Snow White.
No. It's Sabrina.
Did you see it?
Sabrina's shoes.
Do you like them? Let me see. No. Do you like them?
They're princess.
They're princess shoes. Yeah. Let's put them on. Now we're going to start at the feet. Wow. And work our way up. Look.
Here, look up.
Look up. Now, there's one more thing we need to do. Sabrina. And now Sabrina is Snow White. Look at me. Wow. Let me see your shoes. Look how pretty those shoes are. Now you're Snow White. Okay, let's go see you in the mirror. Come on. The final transformation. Come look in the mirror. What do you think?
Thinking.
You're thinking? What do you think?
I'm not thinking.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, Sabrina.
No, I'm not thinking.
Do you like it?
Do a little dance.
Look how pretty you look.
There she looks at herself.
I know. Do you like it, Sabrina? Don't touch the lipstick. Remember, that'll run off.
Touch it. Wow, Sabrina, you look beautiful.
Do you look like a princess?
Do a little princess dance.
What do you think, Sabrina? Thinking? What do you think?
Thank you, Mommy.
What do you think?
I'm thinking.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
What are you going to shout at Sabrina in front of the Christmas tree?
Oh, yeah. Do you love it?
No.
I love it.
I did the heart.
The heart, that's your necklace. The heart necklace. It's beautiful. Look at what a pretty Snow White you make. You make such a pretty Snow White.
Mama.
I know.
Mama and Dad. I think it's true.
Let's see. One spin around. Let me see all of you. Spin it around. Sabrina, spin it around. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Spin it around. Spin it around. Keep going, Sabrina. Spin it around. In a circle. In a circle. Yay. Very pretty. All right. Now let's go get a shot of you next to the tree. You're going to get dizzy. You're going to get dizzy. Unless you start spotting. Okay. Let's turn this off. Do you like it? What are you looking at?
I'm looking.
You're looking in the mirror? You pouting? You like lipstick? Yeah. Very pretty. Mm-hmm. Very pretty.
Now we're not putting hands.
Where are you going to put it?
It's dirty and now did it. And now we did it.
Okay, let's go sit by the tree.